Hey guys, this is the cryptomartey here. Today's video is trying to understand where we stand today as cryptocurrency investors, looking at the condition of the market in the last 3 months. It's been terrible since the high that we saw in December and January 2017. Sorry, December 17 to January 18, and the first quarter of 2018 has been disastrous. If it has anything to go by. Will the market recover? Will the market crash again? Will the Bitcoin or other altcoins go to zero? All this in today's episode. So let's start by putting the whole world's money into perspective. This is a slightly dated chart, so it might not have exact current figures. So because it shows Bitcoin at 41 billion, but it's like maybe slightly higher or lower than what it is today. But if you see the whole perspective in terms of Bitcoin, or even the whole cryptocurrency market, it is a mere tiny bubble today. Okay, Bitcoin is half the size of Bill Gates. Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market is smaller than Amazon today. So if you put that in perspective to the total money supply in the market, which is at $83 trillion, and I'll just take some time to point it out. So the entire money in the market, which is currently there, is about $83 trillion, out of which $66 trillion is in stock market. Physical money is of about $31 trillion. Gold market cap is about 8.2 trillion, whereas Bitcoin is for the 41 billion, and the whole cryptocurrency market is about 300 billion, which is somewhere here, which is lesser than Amazon today. So why is it so important to know what the market perspective is? Again, another perspective in terms of people who are controlling money inflow and outflow into crypto market. If you see the whole crypto market, this is a slightly early chart, so the total market is about 300 billion today. But Bank of China, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and JP Morgan Chase are the top four banks which control money inflow and outflow, and they basically are bigger or equal to the entire cryptocurrency market. So a bank in the US is equal to the whole market across the world. The other important factor is that knowledge of cryptocurrencies is extremely limited. So a lot of people are in it for the gains, but a lot of people don't know what it is all about. They just put their money and feel as if they are going to become overnight millionaires. But the fact of the matter is only 6% of people know what Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies are all about, and 83% are slightly familiar, but they really don't care. Okay, so once I've given you these bits of information that the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is much lower than the money in the market, or even smaller than say an Amazon, you'd still think why is it important for me to know that? See, it's very important for all of you to know that because it's such a small asset class. A small bit of news can take the price up. A small bit of news which is negative in nature can take the price down very quickly. So more than technical analysis, I think fundamental analysis and keeping abreast of what information gets passed on for every single coin is very important for you to know why some coins go up or go down in value. Now, but so you might think why should I then invest in something which is that volatile? See, something which is volatile is currently down. So whenever something's down, like I said, it's time to invest. There are a lot of people predicting that Bitcoin will continue to grow, and it's so. If you don't believe me, I wanted to show you a video which was actually a part of CNBC, and there was an expert actually talking about Bitcoin. So just have a look at the video.
The road to 20,000 is not going to be an easy one.
Yeah, but Bitcoin goes up and Bitcoin goes down, and Bitcoin goes up and down very quickly. If you recall, a few months ago, we were sitting right here and Bitcoin was under $8,000, and it shot up to $20,000 in less than 2 weeks. So this is nothing new. We've seen Bitcoin go up and we've seen Bitcoin go down. We've seen it go down 50% at a time, but it's quite a resilient currency, commodity, asset that just keeps going up afterwards.
Yeah, so experts say it's a resilient commodity. So although it might retrace to about 60, 70, 80% of its value, it might still go up and create newer highs. So fingers crossed, Bitcoin will reach higher highs and go more than what it was in 2017 or exit of 2017. A few price predictions for Bitcoin. A few experts say that it will reach 30,000 by the end of the year. So it's still a 2x versus where we were in December or end of December. So my current point of view is if it's at 7,000 and if it's going to go to 30,000 by the end of the year, it'll still give you a 4 times returns in terms of your investment. So guys, that's the analysis in terms of where Bitcoin could be at the end of the year, where cryptocurrency is, what's the sentiment in the market, and I leave you to do your own research whether or not you want to invest. But in my opinion, this time or when Bitcoin has actually retraced more than 50 or 60% is the right time to invest back and try and diversify, like I said in my previous videos, and it should give you decent gains. So that's all for now, guys. Cheers.